Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. Today on the chopping block we got wings. And with these wings we're going to be making us some honey, lemon pepper, buffalo wings. And you're going to need some butter, okay? These wings are not getting seasoned at all because if you throw them in there, the seasonings will come off, okay? So that's what we're going to do today. Alright, see you guys over there in a minute. Okay, I'm using this Butterball Professional Master Built deep fryer. So we're just gonna put these in here. I really don't like doing it like that because it tends to stick when it's super hot. We're gonna cook this at 350. Try to make sure your wings are dry. Some of these wings are already like soaked in some hot water. Not hot water, but some with salt and water. We're just gonna let these cook. We're going to take them out and let them get crispy, and we're going to put them back in. That's all we're going to do. So while that chicken's cooking, we're going to take us some butter on low, on like medium low, probably like 3 tablespoons of butter. I like to pinch mine. I always have mine kind of soft. And if it's super spicy for you, you can always use more butter, okay? So that you know. Unsalted butter. I'm going to come in here with some hot sauce. Gotta have enough to cover all the wings. So it's like about a quarter cup, well maybe a little bit over a quarter cup, maybe like, I just say use like a half a cup of hot sauce. The honey and the lemon pepper don't come to afterwards, okay? So make sure you get Nor, it don't have a salt in it, it just tastes zesty, okay? See you guys in a minute. If you want it spicy, you can always add some cayenne if you want that. Or you can use some intensity as far as the spice control. You can put some red pepper flakes in there if you want. Give it a taste. Perfect. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, you see I slow down cooking. We're going to take this out. We don't want it to get dry. We're going to wait till it come back up to temp. We're going to drop it again. Alright. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, it's about at temp. I think I can touch this now. So we're going to drop this again. Alright fam, I'm back. Here's my sauce. Just going to pour that in here. Take this lemon pepper. I always grab the wrong one, always. Sprinkle a little of that in there. And the honey. Alright. We're going to toss it. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and set this up. Got me a plate over here. I'm going to set it up. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. There it is right there. Buffalo lemon pepper honey naked wings. Here you go, guys. I encourage you guys to make this. And please, please don't forget to hit that bell for me. Just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. I'm finna eat. Time to go. Much love.